Pit River Cattle Ranch. For the cattle rancher, this is a dream come true. 1,850 acres of level grazing land, with approximately 1,200 acres irrigated. Add a river running through the length of the property for 1.5 miles. You're looking at a well-set-up operation for around 400 pair and about 100 yearlings. Most of the ranch is in the Williamson Act for lower tax rates. The ranch also offers approximately 150 acres of farm ground, irrigated with wheel lines. Recreational opportunities are abundant. The ranch qualifies for 2 landowner tags in the X1 deer zone. There are several duck blinds along the river, perfect for the avid waterfowl hunter. The river also provides great fishing. This property has been owned by the same family since the early 1920s and has been used for grazing, hay, and recreation its entire history. What a ranch!